Hi and a huge welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we're making marzipan. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe to the channel and share the love. Give me the thumbs up. Now with Christmas coming up, there are lots of recipes that ask for marzipan and it's so easy to make. Why you'd buy the store-bought versions when they're really just full of a lot of sugar and flavouring, and it is so easy to make at home. Let me show you how. Now marzipan starts with almond meal. This is just finely ground up blanched almonds. I've got 250 grams, that's about 9 ounces, and we put the equivalent amount of caster sugar or superfine sugar. So 250 grams, 9 ounces of caster sugar. Now I'm just going to use a fork and just loosely blend this together. And then we're just going to take 2 eggs, just medium-sized eggs, into that mixture. I'll start with a fork. I'll just sort of blend the eggs into the mixture. And now this is optional, it's almond essence. If you really want a strong almond flavour, just add a teaspoon in there, but it isn't necessary. And then continue to mix through. And then when it's binding together like that, we can just pull that off the fork and get our hands in there and start to draw this almond paste together. And when it starts to bind together like that, we've got a lovely ball, and that smells delicious. We can put that in an airtight container or wrap it in cling wrap, chill it down in the fridge, and that will be ready to use. Half a kilo of marzipan in less than a few minutes, and it smells delicious, and we can use this in all those Christmas cakes and stollens, and of course I used this in the simnel cake earlier this year. It's wonderful and easy to make at home. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please share the love, give the thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Take care. And of course, don't forget, on Steve's Kitchen, we've got a load of other Christmas recipes. There's a Christmas playlist there. We've got the Christmas pudding, the mince pies, we've got the sweet mince meat. Golly, there's so many things. Just get across there and check it out. I'll leave a couple of links here. Please subscribe to the channel, share the love, give us the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.